If you're wondering how you can delete your Minecraft account, then here is the quick guide on it. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can delete your Minecraft account. First things first, you can simply head into your browser on your device, and once on your browser, you want to type in mojang.com. So simply type in mojang.com or mojang.com here, and then simply tap on go. Now here you want to log into your account using your account's credentials. As you can see here, simply tap on three horizontal line icon there at the left hand side. As you can see, I'll do it again, the three horizontal line icon, the green icon there at the top left, and once you do so, you want to simply tap on sign in up. Here you want to sign in using your account credentials. Now first I'll just sign up quick here using my Microsoft account. As you can see, I have logged in. You want to tap on the three horizontal line icon, this time at the bottom right corner of your screen, and you want to head into my account option here. Now first it'll ask you to log in again. You want to simply log in again here. Now here, once you click on it, you'll be redirected to this page, right? Now here what you want to do is you want to tap on the profile that you'll find at the top right. You can see the BB, my account name shortcut here, my profile. So once you tap on it, you want to head into the option that says my profile. Simply tap on my profile and you'll be redirected to your profile here. Now under here, you'll get the option to close your account. If you scroll down below there, you can see sign in preferences, link your phone to your PC, and you can see close account option. Tap on close account. And now you want to tap on continue and go ahead through certain prompts, and you'll be able to delete your account. So this way you can delete your Minecraft account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.